So, your wash sheet just flashed the Hotpoint washing machine f05 error, and you're wondering what that even means, right? Don't worry, let's break it down in plain English. That f05 code usually shows up when the machine thinks there's water inside it, even when it's completely dry. Sounds strange. It's because the pressure switch, which monitors water levels, is stuck in the full position. That means your washer refuses to spin or drain, because it believes it's still full of water. Now, what causes this? A few things, actually. Sometimes the tiny hose connected to the pressure switch gets clogged. Other times, it's the switch itself that's faulty. It could even be a wiring issue or a loose module connection. But one of the most common culprits, a blocked pump, a bit of lint, a sock, or a buildup of gunk, can clog the pump and confuse the system. If you're up for it, you can try checking the pump first. Turn off the machine, unplug it, and look for the small access panel near the bottom front. Open it up, have a bowl and towel ready, and see if there's anything stuck inside. Clear it out. If needed, then restart the machine. If that doesn't solve it, the issue might be deeper, like the pressure switch or internal wiring. And that's when it's probably time to call in a technician. Fixing the Hotpoint washing machine f05 error can cost anywhere between $100 and $180, depending on what's wrong and who you call. But if it's just a clogged pump, that fix could be totally free. To wrap it up, the Hotpoint washing machine f05 error is your washer's way of saying, hey, something's off, please check me. And now you know exactly where to start.